Monopoly Avengers, how to play. The rules are the same as regular Monopoly except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. The object of the game is to have the most power once all the villains have been defeated. Lay out the board and each player takes their token along with their matching superpower card and location markers. Money is replaced by power. The villains and shield decks replace the chance and community chest decks. Some cards must be used immediately when drawn, while others you can save to use later. On your turn, only roll the 2 numbered dice, then move. The hero die is used when certain cards call for it to indicate which hero is affected. If you roll the same symbol more than once for the same card, then that hero is only affected one time. Each player has a superpower they can use at any time as indicated on their card. Once you use your superpower, flip it over. Whenever you land on or pass go, flip your superpower card face up. You may now use it again. Properties are called villain-controlled spaces. When you land on one, you must pay the power cost in the top left to the bank and place one of your markers on it. This is considered defeating the villain. This is not optional. If you have the power to do it, you must. If you don't have enough power to save a space from a villain, roll the hero die to determine which player will help you. Do not move that player. Instead, they pay and place their token on that space. If they don't have enough power, roll again until you find a player who does. When a marker is covering the villain, it is now called a hero saved space. When you land on one, pay the player whose token is on the space the amount in the bottom right. If you don't have enough, pay what you do have, then stop. The bank does not pay the rest. If they have a colored set, then the payment is doubled. To get out of jail, pay 50 power at the start of your next turn, then roll and move as normal. Once the last villain location has been saved, the game ends. Each player receives 100 power for each token they have on the board. The player with the most power wins.